In fact, we have a big breaking news coming in. Congress is going to hold its CWC meeting today, and we have some inside scoop on the same. There's going to be a decision which is likely on who will be the LOP, and that discussion could be taken today. Also, there will be a discussion on whether Rahul Gandhi will be retaining his Rai Bareli seat. Sources say it's possible that he could retain Rai Bareli, but would he be ready to give up Wayanad, a seat which had elected him as MP twice and with such a huge margin? So that's something which we'll have to wait and watch. Isha is joining us live with updates on this story as well. Isha, over to you. Take us through what we can expect in the Congress's CWC meet today. Some very important and significant decision the Congress is likely to take today.
Right, Meenakshi, today is an important meet when it comes to the Congress party as well, because they will be taking key decisions. In fact, Sonia Gandhi, who's now the Rajya Sabha member of the Congress, it is all said that she will also be re-elected as the CLP head. So that is also something that is coming to the fore. But other key Congress leaders, which do include Manikam Tagore, KC Venugopal, are all set to be there. And Rahul Gandhi is all set to decide. And it's also being said that he will further speak to everybody before making that decision whether which seat he chooses, Wayanad or Rai Bareli. In fact, you were correctly pointing out Wayanad has elected him unanimously twice as MP, so this will be a tough call, and in fact, he will be disappointing the people of one constituency. But several other key decisions are also set to be made, especially the one considering the leader of opposition, considering Congress has the most number of seats when it comes to the opposition in the parliament. 99 seats is what the Congress holds. So they will stake claim to form the leader of opposition. It is all stated that Rahul Gandhi will assume that role, and he will further come to the fore, and so that he can unequivocally voice the concerns of the opposition. That is what is we're hearing so far. But again, this is the Congress, and anything can happen. Meenakshi, there can be several other things that can come to the fore, but at the moment, this is a key Congress meeting that is all set to take place. Several big dignitaries of the Congress party all set to attend.